Now that we've covered the gear, let's talk about casting techniques in windy weather.
Wind can throw off your aim, but there's a way to work around it. Try casting at a lower angle. This helps cut through the wind and gives you more accuracy.
Also, casting across the wind instead of against it can help prevent the bait from getting blown off course. With these adjustments, you'll still be able to hit your target, even on windy days.
Tomorrow, we'll talk about how to find the best fishing spots in tough weather conditions.